Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the sunset inspired makeup look. Let's go. First, start with the white base. I use About Face's matte liquid eye paint, and when you're placing it on your eye, just make sure to leave a little space underneath your eyebrow. I'm just using a makeup wipe to sharpen that space for myself. Then going in with the purple, I'm just gonna start carving out where I want that line to be. Now, I make a mistake and I use a brush that is too fluffy, so I have to go back in and erase some of what I put down. But to not have to do this, go ahead and use just a regular angled brush, just like this. This way you get your lines nice and precise. And I'm just going to replace the white base that I had to erase. Now once that's down, go ahead and get a yellow color, and you're going to put this in the inner corners of your eye. You want to put it in the inner corners and then go all the way up to the purple line that you just made. And to really get that color to stick in, you pat it on. That's gonna make the colors really stick to the base that you're using and pop. Then we're gonna grab an orange and we're gonna put that in the middle of our eyes. And of course, we're gonna take that all the way up to the purple line as well. Then we're going to get a pink color, a reddish pink color, and we're going to put that towards the outer edge of our eye. You're not going to want to go all the way to the tip of where we put that white base. Just kind of centralize it in the outer edge because we're going to do a little something with that tip later. Then grabbing our purple color, we're going to take that underneath our eye, and using your brush, go ahead and take that color up to the tip of where we put our base. You can also pull out an angled brush like I did to be a little more precise, because we're going to go ahead and create a little triangle. I think this shape reminds me of like a mermaid tail, and I got it totally by accident when I did my first eye, but I loved it, so we're going to keep it. And then grab a fluffy brush and then just blend it out a little. We don't want it to be too harsh. And then go back in with that reddish pink color and fill the rest of that white tip in. Make sure to get it very pigmented and packed on. Then I'm just going to go through my other colors and get them as bright as I want them to be using that patting motion. Look how vibrant that yellow is. It's so gorgeous. Alright, and now we're going to start blending out that top line. So you're going to start off with your pink color again, and we're just going to take a fluffy brush and start blending out that purple line. And then after that's nice and blended, you're going to do the same thing with the orange color. And then right underneath your eyebrow, we're going to put that yellow. And then blend that out as well. Alright, we're going to take this dark blue color to define that purple line a little more. And then we're going to also add orange to the bottom of our eye and some jewels, of course. And then that is the finished look. Alright guys, how do you guys feel about this sunset eyeshadow tutorial? All of the products that I use for this tutorial are linked below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Take care.